Hi students, welcome to my class. Dear students, today we are discuss the new lesson that is called as linear equations in one variable. Dear students, in this chapter we are discussing the 7th standard also, simple equations, correct? So, what is the mean about linear? What is the mean about linear? Can you heard the word linear? Linear pair in the geometry part, linear pair, got it? So, linear figures, correct? So, what do you mean about linear? Linear means, it means straight line. See, that is called as straight line. Like this, like this. So, these are the straight line. These are curved line. Correct. So, linear means straight. Linear equations, if you can take any one of the equation, if you put the graph, that graph it become a straight line. Therefore, linear means straight. Linear equation. So next, what is mean about equation? What is mean about equation? Equations means, see students, you can take any expressions. Here in the equations, equality. In that word is meaning equality. What is equality? So you can take any expressions. The value of expressions in the LHS side is equal to the value of the expressions in the RHS side. You can. I will take one of the example. X plus 5 is one of the expression. This expression value it is equal to the expressions of the another value. So that means x plus 5 is one of the expression. So this value is equal to the value of the another expressions. That is 8 plus 2x in the RHS side. So in that equals, this sign is an equality. This sign is indicated as equality. See students, in that equal signs, left side we call it as LHS side, right side we call it as RHS side. So what do you mean about LHS and RHS? We know that left hand side and then RHS means right hand side. Okay. In that LHS and the RHS equations, when they are equal, then they become a equations. That is called as linear equations in one variable. One variable means only one variable. X, here also X is there. Same variable it can time and many times of is there in any expressions. That is only one variable. See, x plus y is equal to 10. So how many variables are there? Here two variables. So this equations is not an linear equations in one variable. What this is? So this is also linear equations, but it is the linear equations in two variable. So this equations we have to discuss the next year, 9th standard we are discussing this linear equations in two variable. So today this year we have to discuss the linear equations in only one variable. So variable means unknown value. So this is the x plus 5, the unknown value here x. In that 8 plus 2x, x is the unknown value. So we have to calculate we have to find the unknown value of the given expressions or given equations. That is called as linear equations in one variable. Are you understand? See students, I will take another example. 2t is equal to 10. So this is one of the linear equations in one variable. 2t is one of the expressions, monomial, correct? This is the monomial. So this is 10. This is the constant term. Understood? So this is the one of the expression and this is also another expression. When these are equal, so that is called as equations. So I will take another example. 3t by 9 it is equal to 5. So this is also a linear equations in one variable. Are you understand students? So now we have to discuss the some more example. We have to solving the linear equations in one variable. So how to solve the linear equations in one variable? Let us check it. Some rules are there. See students, in the LHS side and the RHS side. So here equal sign is there, correct? So when plus in the LHS side, if it is go to the RHS or RHS to the LHS, okay, the plus sign it become to the RHS side, it become minus. The plus, if you are going to the RHS side, the plus it become minus. Then minus is going to the RHS side, it become plus. So minus is in the RHS side. So you have, if you are sent to the LHS, minus it become plus, plus it become minus. Understand? Plus it become minus. So minus it become plus. Minus it become plus. Plus it become minus. So when you are changing your sign from LHS to RHS or RHS to the LHS, sign will become changed. And then into is changing what? Divided by. Divided by become into. I understand? So these are the sign changing of the sign from the LHS to the RHS or RHS to the LHS. It is a very important, is most important to remember these concepts. Okay, if you are not remembering, you cannot solve the linear equations in one variable. Are you understand? So now let us take one of the example. So here no problem. I will take one example here. See students, 2x plus 8 it is equal to 12. 2x plus 8 is equal to 12 is there. This is one of the linear equations in one variable. So how you are solving the linear equations in one variable? In the 7th standard we are discussing the trial and error method and the substitution method and the direct method. So this year we are going to direct method or transposition method. See, 2x plus 8 is equal to 12. So now which value I want to find out? Which value I want to calculate? Yes, x value we want to calculate. Correct. So therefore, in which value we are calculating, that term we have to write in the, we have to keep on the LHS side. So 2x we have to write here as it is. So plus 8, here plus 8 is there, here 12 is there. So we have to write the constant term one side and the variable term we have to write another side. So I will write 2x is the variable. Correct. So I will write the variable LHS side. In the RHS side I will write the constant term. So now, so plus 8 I will send to the RHS side from the LHS. So 8 having which sign is there? Yes, plus. If you are plus 8, if you are going to the RHS, so plus 8 it become what? Minus 8. Now, so it is equal to 12 I will write as it is, plus 8 if it is come is minus 8. So now 2x it is equal to 12 minus 8. What will become? Yes, 4. Okay, 2x is equal to 4. Now x is equal to, so I want x value, x and 2 and x in between which sign is there? Yes, into sign is there. Therefore 2 into x is equal to 4. So I will write x only in the LHS side. I will send to the 2 to the RHS, LHS to the RHS. So 4 I will write as it is. So into it become what it become? Yes, into it become divided by. So division portions. This is the division. If you write here is divided. So 4 by 2. 2 ones are 2. 2s. So now x is equal to 2 by 1 is nothing but 2. Therefore the value of x is 2. This value, if you are substituting in this equations, then RHS is equal to LHS or LHS is equal to RHS. So shall we verify it? Yes. We have to substitute here. So 2x plus of 8 is equal to 12 is there. I will substitute the value of x instead of x value. So 2 into x instead of I will write 2 plus 8 it is equal to 12. See, 2 2s are 4 plus 8 it is equal to 12. 8 plus 4 what? 12. 12 is equal to 12. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore the value of x is absolutely right. Correct? So like that. So I will take another example. Y minus y plus 10 it is equal to 15. Very simple equation. Y plus 10 is equal to 15. See students, in which number if you are add to the 10 is one of the number, in what number you should add to the 10 you will get the 15. 10 ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟನ್ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ 15 ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ in our common sense. Correct. So 10 ಗೆ 5 add ಮಾಡಿದರೆ 15 ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. Therefore value of y is 5. It is our common sense. So now we have to solving it mathematically. So let us solve it. Y I will write as it is. It is equal to, I will send plus 10 to the RHS. So 15 in the LHS side, RHS side is there. I will write as it is. So which term we have to send here? Plus 10 to the RHS. So the 10 having a which sign is there? Plus. So if it is come here in the RHS, it become minus 10. So therefore y is equal to 50 minus of 10, it becomes plus 5. Therefore y value is 5. If you are putting the y value instead of y, so 5, here 10 plus 5 it becomes 15. The verification is over. Like that you have to, after finding the value of the unknown value, any one of the variable, you have to substitute in the given equations, then the LHS and the RHS are same, then our answer will become correct. If it is not equal, your answer is become wrong. Got it? So I will take another example. See, 3m divided by 5, it is equal to 6. Okay students, 3m by 5 athwa m by 5 I will take first. M by 5 it is equal to 6 is there. So here I want to calculate the m value. Here 5 is there. So m and 5 in between, which sign is there? This is divisible by sign. So I will send 5 to the RHS side. Correct? Here RHS side is 6 is there. So nothing is there means 1 is there. So therefore we have to cross multiply that. So this is the cross multiplication. Okay students, I will send 5 to the RHS side. So m and 1 you have to multiply, and 5 and 6 you have to multiply. See, m into 1, m, it is equal to 5 into 6. 5 into 6. So m it is equal to, so 5 6 are what? 30. 5 6 are 30. Therefore the value of m is 30. If you are putting the m value, it will become 30. 30 by 5. 30 by 5 will become 5 ones are 5. 6 are, the value is 6. Is it right? Yes. So like that. So I will go to that. One more example. 7m by 3, it is equal to 14. 7m by 3 is equal to 14. See students, 3 you have to send to the RHS, because if it is a divisible. So if you are going to that in the RHS side, the 3 become into 3. So here divisible, in that RHS side it become into. So 7m as it is I write on. So 14. So 3 I will send, it become into 3. Here divided. So if you are going to the RHS, so it become into. So 7m it is equal to 14 into 3 I will write as it is. I will not multiply that, because 7 is there. So after you have to simplify it. See now, m you have to keep on the LHS side. So 7 you have to send to the RHS. 7 and m in between into is there. So if you are sent to the 7 to the RHS, 7 it become divided. So now 14 into 3 we have to write as it is. 7 you have to come to that divisible portions. So now you have to simplify that. 7 ones are, 7 twos are. So now m it is equal to 2 into 3 you have to multiply that. 2 3s are 6. Therefore m is equal to 6. So like this we have to solve the linear equations in one variable. Now I will go to directly example problems in your textbook. So 2x minus 3 is equal to 7. See students, I will show now. 2x minus 3 it is equal to 7 is there. See, 2x I will write as it is. It is equal to 7 I will write as it is. Minus 3 I will send to the LHS, from LHS to the RHS. Minus 3 it become plus 3. Correct, plus 3. So now 2x it is equal to 7 plus 3 it become 10. So now I want x. X it is equal to, in between which sign is there? Correct, into. So I will send to RHS. From the LHS, 2 I will send to the RHS. Now 10 I will write as it is. If it is come 2 to the RHS, so 2 it become divided by. So now you have to simplify that. 2 1s are, 2 5s are. Therefore x is equal to 5. Understood? So like this we have to solve it. So I will take another example. Second one will 2y plus of 9 it is equal to 4. Say 2y I will write as it is. It is equal to 4 I will write as it is. So plus 9 I will send to the RHS. It become minus 9. So 2y it is equal to 4 minus 9. So the sign minus we have to subtract it. 4 minus 9 will become minus 5 because of bigger number sign. 9 is the bigger, it having a negative, so we have to put negative sign. So now y it is equal to, I want y value, minus 5 I will write as it is, I will send 2 to the RHS, it becomes divided by 2. Therefore y is equal to minus 5 by 2, minus 5 by 2, that's it. 5 cannot divide from 2. Therefore as it is I have to write it. Okay. So like that, we will go to the question number 3. X by 3 it is equal to 5 by 2, it is equal to, x by 3 plus, x by 3 plus 5 by 2, it is equal to minus 3 by 2. Correct? See students, here variable term is there, here constant term. 5 by 2 is one of the constant term and minus 3 by 2 is one of the constant term. But these are in a different places. So minus 3 by 2 is in the RHS, plus 5 by 2 is in the LHS. So plus 5 by 2 I will send to the RHS. So constant term you have to write in the one side, variable term you have to write in the another side. See, x by 3 I will write as it is. Okay, it is equal to minus 3 by 2 I will write as it is, minus 3 by 2. So plus 5 by 2, this term I will send to the RHS. So plus 5 by 2 it become minus 5 by 2. Okay, so now x by 3 it is equal to, so here denominator or same, add the numerator or subtract the numerator. So depend upon sign. So remaining what is there? Minus 3, here minus 5. So now x by 3 it is equal to minus 3 and minus 5 it become minus 8. So divided by 2. So now 2 ones are 2 4s are. So x by 3 it is equal to, remaining is minus 4 by 1. Now we have to cross multiplication. So what it become? X into 1 it become x. 3 into 4 12, sign is minus 12. Therefore x is equal to minus 12. I understand. So can I substitute the minus 12 instead of x? So what it become? Let us see it. So minus 12, x instead of 100, minus 12 divided by 3 plus 5 by 2, it is equal to minus 3 by 2. So now 3 and 2, LCM is 6, 3 2s are 6, correct? So into 6, I will simplify that. 3 1s are 3 2s are, 2 1s are 2 3s are, minus into plus 12 2s are 24, plus 5 3s are 50. It is equal to minus 3 by 2. See, minus 24 and plus 15. So what is that? Minus 9. Minus 9 by 6. It is equal to minus 3 by 2. If you are simplify that, 3 2s are, 3 3s are. So remaining is minus 3 by 2. It is equal to minus 3 by 2. So LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, our verification is correct. Therefore, the x value is exactly, absolutely minus 12. Understand? So like this, question number 4th one. What is that? 15 by 4. 15 by 4 minus 7x. It is equal to 9. So here minus 7x is there in that LHS side. So in the 15 by 4 and 9 is the constant term. I will send to the one side. Okay, I will write in one side, whether it is LHS or RHS. So here minus 7x is there. So minus, I want to become a plus, I want to convert to the plus. So this minus 7x only I have to send to the RHS. Okay. So 15 by 4 I will write as it is. This plus sign we have to send to the LHS. Plus sign if it become minus 9. It is equal to minus 7x it become, if it is come to the RHS, it become plus 7x. Otherwise only 7x. Now nothing is there, means 1 in the denominator. Now we have to simplify the, take out the LCM. 4 and 1 is the LCM is 4. So we have to apply the LCM into 4 into 4. 4 get cancelled. Remaining is 15 minus 1 divided from 1 4. It become 4 only. 4 9s are 36 minus 36. 9 4s are 36. It is equal to 7x. So now 15 and minus 36. 36 minus 15, you have to subtract it. What is get? 36, 10, 26, 26 minus of 5, 21. So minus 21 divided by 4, it is equal to 7x. So nothing is there means 1 is there, you have to cross multiply that. So 7x into 4 you have to multiply first because it is a variable term, you have to write in the LHS. So 7x into 4, 7 4s are 28x. 7x into 4, 28x, it is equal to 21 into 1 minus 21. Minus 21 into 1 minus 21. Now I want to x value. X is equal to minus 21 divided by 28. So now we have to simplify that. 7 3s are 7 4s are. Therefore, x is equal to minus 3 by 4. Understand? So this value you have to substitute in the value of x, then the LHS is become RHS. You have to do in your home. This verification you have to do in your home. Okay. So now directly I will go to the exercise problems. In that exercise problem, so that is 3.1. In the first exercise, so there are 12 questions are there. So I will solve some more examples. Some questions I will solve it. Remaining questions you have to solve in your home. Okay, students. So I will take one example. First one. X minus 2 it is equal to 7. You know already how to solve these kind of questions. So again I will solve it once again. X I will write as it is. Minus 2 I will send to the RHS. It will become 7. Minus 2 it become plus 2. So x is equal to 7 plus 2 it become 9. Therefore 9 is the answer. Now secondly, second question, third question in your textbook you have to solve in your home. I will go to the question number 4. 3 by 7 plus x, it is equal to 17 by 7. Okay. So I want x value. So keep on in the LH side. It is equal to, I will send the 3 by 7 to the RHS. So 17 by 7 I will write as it is. 3 by 7 if it is coming the RHS minus 3 by 7. So x is equal to, the denominator are same. So subtract the numerator. So 17 minus of 3. So what it become? X is equal to 17 minus of 3 become 14. So 14 by 7. 7 ones are 7 2s are. Therefore x is equal to 2. The value of x is 2. Understand? So now next question number 7. 5th to 6th. This is homework for you. I will go to the question number 7. 2x by 3 it is equal to 18. 2x by 3 is equal to 18. See students, now nothing is there means 1. Now we have to cross multiply that. 2x into 1, 2x, it is equal to 3 into 18 or 18 into 3. You have to write as it is. You don't want to multiply that. So after you have to multiply. Now x it is equal to 18 into 3 we have to write as it is. 2 in the multiplication part, if it is the RHS it becomes divided. So now we have to simplify that. 2 1s are 2, 9s are 18. So x is equal to 9 3s are 27. I understand? Very simple. So like that, question number 8. I will go to the question number 8. So what is that question number 8? 1.6 it is equal to y by 1.5. See students, so 1.6 in that nothing is there means 1 is there, so we have to cross multiply that. Okay, for y into 1 y it is equal to 1.6 into 1.5. Okay, so very simple. Y is equal to, so 6, you have to limit the point. It becomes 16, it becomes 50. So 16 and 15 you have to multiply that. So I will show one of the new method to multiplication, that is called crisscross multiplication. So let us see here. So firstly we have to multiply 6 and 5. Okay students, 6 5s are what? 30. 6 5s are 30. 30 I will write 0. The carry is become 3. I will write 3 carry. So now second step you have to multiply crossly. So first 3 6 ones are 6, 1 5s are 5. So you have to add it, 6 and 5, 11, 11 and carry. How much carry? 3. 11 plus 3, 14. So 14, 4, again carry how much? 2. So carry again 6 plus 5 11, 11 plus 3 14, 14 4 carrier is 1. Okay. So next the last step, this column. First you have to multiply this column, last column, and then second step crossly we have to multiply and add it. The third step, you have to multiply the first column. 1 into 1. 1 ones are 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 240. Therefore, 240. So, after you have to put a sign. So, how many digits are there? Sign. After point is the 1 digit is there. Here also 1 digit. Therefore, 2 digit. You have to put 2 digits. 1 and 2. So, 2.40. This is the value of y. So, very easiest method to multiplication. Okay, you have to learn it. So next one, question number 9, 10, 11, you have to solve in a row. I will go to the question number 12. Lastly, I will show it. So x by 3 plus of 1, it is equal to 7 by 15. Okay students. So x by 3 plus 1 is equal to 7 by 15 is there. So plus 1 I will send to the RHS. So x by 3 I will write as it is. It is equal to 7 by 15 plus 1 if it is come is minus 1. So nothing is there means 1. So x by 3 it is equal to, so we have to take out the LCM. 15 and 1 is the LCM is 15. Therefore into 15 into 15. So 15 get cancelled, remaining is 7 minus 1 you are divided from itself only, 15 ones are 15. So now x by 3 it is equal to 15, 7 minus of 15, it becomes minus 8 divided by 15. So now you have to cross multiply that. You have to send, only you have to send to the 3 to the RHS. Okay, I will write x as it is, minus 8 by 15. So if it is come in the RHS, it becomes into 3. So 3 ones are 3, 5s are, therefore x is equal to minus 8 by 5. Understand? So like this you have to solve. So these are the linear equations in one variable. Very simple problems in the first exercise. In the next exercise, little bit complicated is there, not more, little bit. So we have to solve in that problems we have to discuss in the next classes. Okay students.